Hello, I am Priya, and that is actually what I am. In most Indian languages, Priya means a dear person, a dear friend, someone whom you can trust, someone with whom you can share your thoughts and feelings without the fear of being judged. मैं सिर्फ नाम से ही प्रिया द ट्रस्टेड फ्रेंड नहीं हूँ. Every day I listen intently to my personal and professional counseling clients as they tell me their life's story, their thoughts and feelings, their highs and their lows. They share with me their needs, wants, desires, aspirations और जानना चाहते हैं कि पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट कैसे करें, प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट कैसे करें, करियर में कैसे आगे निकलें, how to lose weight, how to become fitter, get to healthier lifestyles, become more agile, and so many other things. And they all look for quick solutions कि जल्दी ये सब कैसे करें. Then there are others who tell me about their frustrations, anxieties, mood swings, temper outbursts, depression, promotion नहीं मिल रही, क्या करें, जॉब चली गई, क्या करें, बॉयफ्रेंड या गर्लफ्रेंड ने किसी और के साथ दोस्ती कर ली, रिश्ता बना लिया, क्या करें, टू मच विस्की ऑन द रॉक्स हो जा रही है, क्या करें, मैरिज ऑन द रॉक्स है, क्या करें. And most sadly, children, mostly teenagers, adolescents, are addicted to gaming or to substance. Kya kare? Well, there are so many diverse issues people come with. Everybody is unique. Their life is unique. So their issues are unique. The solutions are also unique. No doubt about that. In my experience, I have found that one thing is very common. Whether you consider the first set or the second set, the ones with the desires and aspirations and who want to make their dreams happen and happen fast, and the other set with their frustrations and anxiety who want their lives to become a little pleasant, even in their case, one thing remains common, that how to get some sound sleep. Most nights I get WhatsApp messages from some of my clients requesting me to speak to them for a few minutes. They believe that speaking to me for a few minutes will calm their minds, will help them relax, and they will fall asleep. I completely respect your feelings. I completely respect your belief. And so here I am at your service. I intend to put up a new video every night by 10 p.m. so that you can watch it and listen to me for a few minutes before your bedtime. I suggest that you watch just one episode every night. Watch in sequence. That is, if you watched episode 1 today, tomorrow you watch 2, and then next night you watch 3, and so on. And let this be the last thing that you do on your mobile phone or your laptop for the night. So once you have listened to the video, just let go of your digital devices after saying goodbye with me at the end of the session. As you see, I'm sitting in my chamber, exactly the way that you see me, wearing the similar clothes that I wear every day during the counseling sessions. The same look. Nothing is different. And it is just as if we are sitting across from each other, face to face, and speaking. Trust me, do this for a few nights, and you will see there will be a big change in your quality of sleep. Only once you have heard the message, don't go to another message, don't go to another video, then the purpose is lost. I am not interested in making huge number of views, etc. No. The aim of this video is simply to help you to fall asleep. So every night I'll try to put up a new video with content which will be conducive to getting sleep. So today was just an introductory session, and going forward we'll speak every night about something different, something engaging, but which is very, very soothing, so that you can fall asleep early. See you tomorrow. Good night.